Hello trader. I will give you a $300 expert advisor for you for free. You can use this expert advisor to get profit. In this video I will explain a few things about the expert advisor Hunter EGA. If you are new, please support to subscribe to this channel and you will get another free expert advisor every time I upload a video. (1) Description and how the Hunter EGA works. Filter settings have also been provided to protect capital when news occurs that may affect the Forex market. This expert advisor is optimized for Australian dollar to Canadian dollar, Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar for correlation arbitrage opportunities. Can be started with minimal capital, which is $300. 2. Recommended requirements. There is a market news feature. There are several models in Expert Advisor Hunter EGA: Crazy Mode and Non-Crazy Mode. For Crazy Mode, the recommended requirement is a minimum balance of $300. The recommended balance is $500. Recommended leverage 1 to 500. The expected monthly profit rate is more than 7%. While the recommendations are laden for Non-Crazy Mode minimum balance $2,000. Recommended balance $3,000 and above. Recommended leverage 1 to 200 or more. The expected monthly profit rate is more than 4%. This expert advisor supports market news filters. You just add this URL into your MT4 settings. The recommended time frame is M15 using the Australian dollar to Canadian dollar, Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar and New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar pairs. The recommended broker is a low spread type broker. For broker registration you can check the link in the description. (3) Crazy Mode $300 start. I will show you the results of trading using $300 capital with Crazy Mode. Growth that has been achieved is 310% during the current trading. Maximum drawdown of 24%. Profit trades 84.7%. And this is the result of the ongoing trade. Trading is running from March 2021 until the time this video was made in October 2022. It is still running. Get a total profit of 309%. For drawdown information that occurs as follows. Let's also check the trading history. The last trading history was on October 18, 2022. Here we can see for transactions that are subject to fees. This means that this expert advisor uses a low spread broker type. Static information. Profit trades 262 transactions. With details of 222 profit transactions and 40 loss transactions. Maximum consecutive losses 3 transactions. And a maximum of 23 consecutive win transactions. Pairs running Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar, Australian dollar to Canadian dollar, Euro to US dollar. But for Euro to US dollar here it is still not optimal. (4) Crazy Mode $700 start. Okay, next I will check the results of the $700 capital Crazy Mode. Here I get information on the total profit achieved, which is 41%. With a fairly small drawdown of 9.2%. New trading starts from June 2022. And every month it always profits between 4.94% to 14.90%. Drawdown information that occurred in August 2022 is 9.2%. The last trading history was on October 18, 2022. Still using a broker with a low spread type. You can check broker registration at the link in the description. Static details. Static details. Here I get information on total trading from August 2022 until now. There have been 65 transactions, with a gain of 58 transactions and a loss of 7 transactions. Consecutive win 22 transactions and consecutive loss 2 transactions. For the rest of the information, you conclude by paying attention to this information. 5. Aggressive mode. $2,000 start. For aggressive mode with a capital of $2,000, here I get 91% profit information. Maximum drawdown 15.2%. Trading has started from August 2021 until now in October 2022, with a total profit of 91%. The largest drawdown information that occurred in October 2021 was 15.21%. The last trading history was on October 18, 2022. The profit generated was quite stable with few losses. Static information. The information I get here has occurred 551 transactions, with a total transaction profit of 450 times, and loss of transactions as much as 101 times. Consecutive win 29 transactions and consecutive loss 4 transactions. And other information you can check here. Six. Aggressive mode plus other eggs. $870 start. Okay, the last is aggressive mode plus other eggs with a capital of $870. With this mode it has been proven to get a profit of 241%. Drawdown that occurred 40.1%. And profit trades 78.9%. This mode has been running since January 2022 and is still running. Profit 241.43%. But here there is a loss of -1.23% in September 2022. If we look at the drawdown that occurs is quite large, namely 40.1%. But the profit that can be obtained is also large, up to 241.4%. Okay, let's see the details. From trading history. Last trading on October 21, 2022 with quite a lot of profit income. You can see here. $94.72, $47.36, $34.41, $4.94, $23.84, $19.19, $15.20. I will also look at the detailed statics. And this is the detail of the static. Okay, what do you think about the Expert Advisor Hunter Egg? If you want to use this Expert Advisor, you can download it on the website www.tradea.com. And also get used to it before using real money. You learn first on a demo account for at least 2 weeks to 1 month. If this video is helpful, you can like and share this video. Give your opinion also in the comments column for discussion. Thanks.